Hello dear students, I am B.S. Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous YouTube video, I taught you how to write an advertisement, what important points should be kept in mind while writing an advertisement, what are the different kinds of an advertisement, and what important points should be kept in mind while writing different type of advertisement like classified advertisement, commercial advertisement. And dear student, today I am going to teach you about the next important kind of advertisement, that is matrimonial advertisements. Yes. Yes, dear students, you have known about such kind of advertisements. You daily read newspapers and you come across about such type of advertisements. So they are very popular in India. Such kind of advertisement, I mean to say matrimonial kinds of advertisement are very popular in India. And dear student, and now I am going to teach you what important points should be kept in mind while writing such kind of advertisement. Dear students, you know very well that advertisements writing carries 3 marks, one reserved for title, one reserved for contents, one mark reserved for grammatical accuracy, that is known as expression. So, dear students, please let me start the advertisement under the column matrimonial. So, first of all, you will assign a suitable title. You can write bride wanted, or in other case you can write bridegroom wanted, or you can write alliance or proposal. It depends on you what type of title do you want, and after that you will describe the boy or a girl. You will give proper description about a boy or a girl, like his or her age, height, complexion, color, etc. Age, height, and complexion. And after that you will mention to which caste he or she belongs, and in which religion does he or she believe. And after that his educational background, his profession, and then you will mention his or her working, non-working, business or service. Then you will describe about his or her income, what type of income, what type of salaries he or she paid, and that his family background. Dear student, it's a very important part of such kind of advertisement. You will have to mention his or her family backgrounds, and after that preferences about the prospective bride or bridegrooms. It means what type of traits do you expect from the bride or the bridegroom. And after that types of marriage. If you are in favor of simple marriage, or you can write early or decent marriage, such type of about such type of advertisement will come when we will prove all these points through different examples. So dear student, we take an example for it. Suppose you belong to a Bansal family and you are looking for a suitable match for your sister. So write an advertisement in not more than 50 words under the column bridegroom wanted in the prestigious newspaper The Times of India, New Delhi. Yes, dear students. So first of all you will write the proper heading, bridegroom wanted, if it is given in the question paper. If it is not given, at that time you can assume, you can write alliance proposal. So if you are looking for a bridegroom, at that time you will write bridegroom wanted, or you can write, dear student, groom wanted only. It doesn't matter if you write bridegroom wanted or you can write groom wanted. So please, such kind of advertisement are started like wanted a suitable match for a beautiful, slim and fair complexion. Yes, dear student, if you want a bridegroom, so first of all you will give details about the brides. First of all you write the details about the bride. What kind of girl is, And after that, what kind of boy do you want? What kind of bridegroom do you want? So here you want bridegroom. So first of all, you will give the details about the brides. So wanted a suitable match for a beautiful. I have already told you that first of all you will give the description about a boy or a girl, like age, height or complexion. So we will prove these things here. Wanted a suitable match for a beautiful, slim and fair complexion, 5 feet 7 inches Bansal girl. Yes, dear students, you have already mentioned description of the boy, caste and religion. You can also write Hindu Bansal girl. And after that you will write working as a chartered accountant. His income, his earning, you will mention 1.5 lakh per month. And after that you will write we have already write the income, then you will show the family background. You will describe the family background of the brides. So father bank manager and mother teacher, school teacher I mean to say. And then you will write Jaipur based family, it means the family is living there in Jaipur. And then these were the details about the bridegroom, brides. Now what type of bridegroom do you expect, do you want? So dear student, groom must be handsome, professional with business backgrounds. Yes, you want a groom with a professional background, especially you prefer business background. And after that you will write with strong and strong family values. It means you want that the bride should belong to a well-cultured, civilized family. You can say with cultured, civilized family, or you can write background with strong family values. And dear student, at last you will mention write to post box number 64, the Times of India, New Delhi. If it is given in the question paper, at that time you will write the name of that newspaper, and if it is not given, you can assume, you can imagine of any kind of a newspaper like the Times of India, New Delhi. And dear student, it will be better if you don't mention your own contact number, your personal contact number. No, it will be better if you write such type of advertisement under the post box number of a prestigious newspaper, because the newspapers will collect such type of information, and then he will inform you about all those kinds of things. So dear student, these are the important points to be kept in mind while writing such kind of advertisements. And one thing to be noted, that don't cross the word limit, that is 50 words only. And you will make a short phrases, dear student. Don't make full long sentences. No. What's the reason behind it? Dear students, I have already told you that newspapers charge money per word or per line. That's why you should write in short phrases, in short words. And you should try to include all the details in short and sweet way. Maximum information, you should follow the pattern maximum information in minimum words. Yes, you should follow this pattern while writing an advertisement. You will include maximum information in minimum words. So this is something about writing an advertisement. So dear student, you will follow all these important points while writing an advertisement. And if you are in seek of a bridegroom wanted, then you will make the proper heading bridegroom wanted, or you can, in other case, you can write bride wanted. So first of all, if you want bride wanted, bridegroom wanted, first of all you will write the details about the brides. And if you want bride wanted, then you will give the details about bridegroom. So don't forget to write such kind of advertisement under such important points. So dear student, that's all for today. If you have any kind of problem, any kind of hesitation, you will contact to me on my personal number, dear students. So this is something about writing matrimonial kind of advertisement. That's all for today. Thanks. Have a nice day.